I'm gonna be making a bike check video on this BMX bike. I'm gonna start from the front. This is a new BMX bike I got, by the way. I saw my blue one like a month, like 3 weeks ago. I got this bike. I pretty much downgraded it. Went from a custom stolen bike, almost worth like $800 to this. But I got it cheap actually. I got it today on Craigslist for $100, and I can't complain. But most probably until later on. So let's get started from the front. These bars are 7.5 rise. Not big. Don't really like them. Like I said, I got it on Craigslist. Comes with REI grips with the flank, which I do not like at all. It comes with those, and it comes with REI bar ends. Bars, I really don't know what brand are they. They have a sticker, like a piece of a sticker, but I have no idea what it is. Stem, it's a Fit Bike. Let's show you. Fit Bike stem. That's the symbol. Fit Bike top load stem. Headset is a FSA with the FSA space right here. Can't really see it. FSA. Forks are stock Eastern forks. Frames an Eastern Eastern frame. Wheel. I have no idea what type of wheel that is, but it's a 520 wheel with Haro tire. 2.25. Seat is a Eastern pivotal seat. No, Eastern rail seat. Cranks are Eastern cranks. Hang on, bike's falling. My pedals are actually, look at this, Odyssey twisted PCs. Boom. With metal pins on the other side. These pins were from an Odyssey JCPC pedal. He took it out and put it on this side. So this is gonna be pretty good. So I have the regular ones and the metal pins. I'm guessing he's still grind a lot. As you can see, he has no pins at all worn out. I don't know why that foot colored the green, but that's his shit. Back tires are a 2.0 Haro tire with the Hypono. I don't know. I don't want to pronounce that. Sorry, you guys. But it's a Haro rim, double wall, chrome with the Haro hub, red KMC chain, 23 tooth, rock hand. And yeah, you guys. That's my bike.